welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, I'm Samyukta. So today's video is something a suggestion video. So from 22nd of July there's going to be a sale in Nykaa. So it's a big sale ever they do it like every year. It's a pink sale from Nykaa. So there are a lot of makeups, beauty related and wellness related things, discounts going on there. So I would like to give you some recommendations on that so that you can choose your products wisely at a greater price. So that's what is going to happen in today's video. So stay tuned for it and check till the end of the video to know more products whichever you can buy. So to mention here, like I have, out of these products which I recommend, few are which I have used and I personally used, and few are which I have heard very good reviews about it, and out of which I'm going to give you a recommendations, all the recommendations. So you can very well go with the recommendations and get your hands on these products if you could. And moreover, there are a lot of very good products at the lower prices, almost like 50%, 40% off, and a few luxe products also like MAC and other high-end products are also on sale, so which will help you to just choose the products rightly. So without any ado, let's get into the video. So before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you will not miss any of my videos. And also follow me on Instagram at Samyukta Vinod and at Yukta Kitchen for more updates and day-to-day activities. All the links are given in the description bar below. Please do check it. So let's start with the primer. So my suggestion is this L'Oreal Base Magic Primer, which is absolutely very good. I have heard very good reviews of that, and this will give you a smooth like texture on your face. And also this is 970 rupees, but you're getting it for just 582 rupees. So it's absolutely good in investing in this primer. You can very well go with this. It's for all skin types, so you can very well go with this. Next primer suggestion is this Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer. This primer is very good for your oily skin people, like it's as it is a gel consistency. This is going to be a very good option for oily skin people, and even this covers up most of the pores, and it's a very good option, I would say. So as you can see, there's almost 40% off on this product, so you can very well try this. Next is the my favorite Maybelline New York Superstay Full Coverage Foundation, and I absolutely love this foundation. As you all know, even this is under a very good discount, and this feels very comfortable. Though it is a matte foundation, you can use it, even dry skin people can use this at ease, and there's no much like difference, like you can feel it's a comfortable. As the name suggests, this is a super cover foundation, and it will last almost 16 hours, 14 to 15 hours coolly this will last, and there is no smudging or anything whatsoever. So if you are in a very good, if you want a very long lasting foundation, something which is equal to a high-end brand, you go for this foundation. So next in the list is this Fit Me foundation from Maybelline again. So even this is a matte foundation, but the main difference between the Superstay and Fit Me is that the Fit Me is a medium coverage foundation, whereas the Superstay is a full coverage foundation, but both are matte and both are quite comfortably matte. But the lasting power of Superstay is quite good when compared to the Fit Me foundation. But anyways, you can very well try this foundation too. Even this has a separate fan base as Superstay foundation. Next in the list is this Lakme Absolute Natural Mousse Foundation. As the name suggests, it's a mousse foundation, which means it has a gel-like consistency. When you apply this, you do not have your primer also, because as it has a silicone matter inside it, what happens is when you apply it, it will act as a pore filling primer too. So it's very smooth in texture and very travel friendly. The packaging is also very good, and it's in 50% off, which you can definitely try. This Ivory Fair is for fair skin tone people. Next in the list is this L'Oreal's Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. Even this is in 25% off, and this is very good foundation for dry skin people. This is quite a dewy natural effect foundation. You don't feel like you have your makeup on, so foundation on. So it is very lightweight and easy to wear and definitely tryable. I have tried it. Next in the list is this, again from L'Oreal Paris. It is 24-hour matte cover foundation. As the name suggests, it's extremely matte, and if you are oily skin, this will go good, but definitely not for a dry skin person. Then it is going to be more cakey. I haven't used it personally, but I have heard very good reviews about that. Next is this concealer from Maybelline New York. It's instant age divide eraser concealer. It's in 50% off, and by the way, this medium shade is exactly my skin tone, and this is very lightweight, non-creasing and very comfortable wearing concealer. You can definitely go for this, and absolutely I recommend this concealer. It's in 50% off, so I'm going to have this on my vanity again. I've already used 3 concealers in this range, and I'm going for the 4th one next. Next is this Fit Me loose powder. It's in the shade 25 medium. It's slightly darker for my skin tone, but it has very good fine particles, and though it gives you a matte finish, but it is very comfortable. Even dry skin people can definitely go for this. It's a comfortable matte. You need not worry about the powder. So if you want to set, and if you are a dry skin person, this is the one for you. It's in 40% discount, so make sure to get this and put it in your vanity, and it is very good to go. It's a loose powder, though it is a finishing powder, but it sets it very beautifully. Next is this Fit Me compact powder, which is again from Maybelline. It's just for 100 rupees now. It's in offer. It is, if you are a compact powder lover, you can very well go with this. I haven't used this personally, but I'm going to have it in my vanity soon. So as the name suggests, it is quite matte in texture, but I hope it should be a comfortable matte. Let's see. Next is this compact powder. It's a powder primer and matte powder foundation compact. It's a dupe of MAC Studio Fix powder foundation, I would say. Though it is not 100%, it's not going to work as it is, but still 70% it will work as the MAC foundation, powder foundation. This is very good, and you need not have your primer also. I absolutely love this. I have already tried this and I have completed this powder, so I am just going to have this in my vanity again. So it's in almost 50% off. This ivory cream is for fair skin people, so choose your thing correctly. Next is this palette from LA Colors. It has got a very good review, though I haven't used. You can go for any kind of palettes like this. So it's in 50% off, so you can very well go with this. It has got 4 blush palette and 2 highlighting palettes. So if you have this, and you are good to go. When you don't want to have so much products in your vanity, but you need to be more functional, your vanity to be more functional, you can go with this palette. So it has got various color shades which will suit you in different occasions. You can very well go with that. Next is the bronzer from Bahama Balm. This is actually from Balm Cosmetics. This is high-end product, but you can get this travel size version for you. It is in 40% discount. This is very popular bronzer. Actually, I was about to get it. As I have more bronzers, I am not going to get it as of now, but I have heard very good reviews. It's a high-end product, so if you want to have a try on this, you can definitely go with this. It's a definitely tryable product. Next is this Master Chrome Face Studio Maybelline Highlighter Molten Gold. You can use another one also. It is Molten Rose Gold. It is in 35% off. Definitely go with this. I have a separate dedicated 2 videos for this Molten Gold and Rose Gold shade separately, and I have done very clearly what shade to choose and how to choose. Everything has been given in a separate video. Go check that out, and definitely you can try this according to your shade. You can choose the shades from this 2 range, for which you can see the video. I am going to give it in the description bar, so you can very well go and check it out. Now let's get into the eye makeup. This is Inglot AMC eyeliner gel. So if you ask most of the makeup artists, they will use this eyeliner. So it's a gel based eyeliner. It's in almost 50% off. So you can very well get in the hands on this product. So it's a very good eyeliner, I would say, but I'm just trying to get it, but for some reason I didn't get it. But if you're looking for some high-end product, you can very well go with this. Next is this Maybelline's Drama Eye Gel Eyeliner. So most of them will know about this. It is in 35% off, and it has got a very good creamy texture and jet black. So it is very good for if you are looking for some gel eyeliner. And by the way, most of the products are from Maybelline. It is not a sponsored video. I absolutely love Maybelline products, so that's why I'm just suggesting you with this discounts. You can very well definitely go for it. Next is this K Beauty Smudge Proof Jet Black Gel Kajal. It's in the shade Oinks. So what happened is, like, if you are looking for something which is in the pencil format and gel consistency, you can very well go with this. I have heard very good reviews about this, though personally I don't use it, but based on the reviews I'm going to suggest you this. Next is this beautiful palette. It is Makeup Revolution Creative Volume 1 palette. It's in 50% off. Makeup Revolution's eyeshadow palettes are amazing. If you are looking for any kind of eyeshadows, they are best in the market, I would say. And they have various palettes, and most of them are on discount, so you can go and check them out. You can just give Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palettes and you'll get to know more of palettes. And there are different color options, there are different combinations to try, and believe me, it's Makeup Revolution's eye palettes are awesome. You can very well go with it. Next is this Nykaa K 9 color eyeshadow palette. It's in the shade Autumn. It is for 50% off. This autumn shade is particularly if you're looking for something neutral colors, you can very well go with that. And it has got a very good review also. Though I haven't personally used, you can very well check this out. If you want to have some compact size eyeshadow palettes, you can just go with this. This is very good for your travel size version also. So go for it. If you're looking for any cream eyeshadow, the K Beauty's metallic eyeshadow stick pencils are awesome. There are various different kind of varieties in metallic, and you have matte finishes also, and the price range is also very good, whereas you get a cream type based eyeshadow sticks. So I was using Rimmel London's, but now they have stopped, they have discontinued that particular eyeshadow stick. Otherwise I would have recommended that, but as of now, if that is not available, this is the good option. You can very well check it out. There are various shade ranges also. Go and check this out. Next is mascara. This iconic mascara, it's in 50% off. It's a curling mascara. It is a very beautiful mascara, but if you're looking for a washable option, that is no waterproof, it's not waterproof. If you're looking for a washable option, this one is good for you. With the price range is also very good. It gives you more of volume, sorry, it gives you more of length than volume. So if you're looking for some lengthening mascara and non-waterproof mascara, you can very well check this out. It's very good, and I would highly recommend. Next is again from Maybelline New York. It's this Lash Sensational Mascara. It's in 30% off, and believe me, in mascaras, it cannot beat Maybelline. So Maybelline's all mascaras are absolutely like fantastic, I would say. So I'm continuously using this Maybelline's mascaras, and I've already used Lakme's also, but now I'm continuously and I'm in love with this Maybelline's mascaras. So definitely go for it. Next is for eyebrow. This is my recent discovery. It is the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. It is just for 59 rupees or 60 rupees, and it is very good, and it has got some greasy texture to it, so that your hairs will not move, like eyebrow hairs will not move here and there, so your brows will be intact. So they have very good shade options as well. You can go and check them out, and this is absolutely my favorite. Only thing is that it is a sharpening type, so that is one disadvantage, but for this price point you cannot expect more, so you can very well go with it. Next comes the lip product. It's Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liners. It's a set actually. Like I haven't used this, but I'm about to try this various lip pencils. So all the colors you'll get in one single pack, and you can just line your lips if you want to line your lips or something. You can go for it if you want to contour your lips. So this liners will be of great use. So you can very well go with it. Next comes my favorite. It's Superstay Matting Liquid Lipstick. So, as you know, if you are following me for a long time, you know this Maybelline's, this range is my favorite of all. So I have already, I have done a detailed swatch and review of that, and everything will be given in the links will be given in the description bar. You can very well check it out. And this one is super stay. It will stay for around nearly 15 to 16 hours without smudging, so you can very well go with this. For any detailed review, you can go and check the reviews. Next is this Lux product. It's Max Woo With Me Ruby Woo and Please Me combo. It's a combo and it is absolutely in like almost 40% off. So if you want to try some Lux products, and Ruby Woo is the world famous shade. If you want to try this, you can very well use this opportunity to get this and try it out. So the price of one, you can get two, almost you can get two products. So go try for it. The next Lux product is this Bobbi Brown's lip combo kit. It's worth of 4,800 rupees, but you get it in for 2,000 rupees. It's a very good combo, I would say. So if you want to try some Lux products with a good price range, you can very well try it out, because I haven't used this Bobbi Brown. Only one Bobbi Brown I have, I guess. So apart from that, I haven't used Bobbi Brown. So I'm not sure of the review, but still for this price you can try. Next is this Duraline makeup mixing liquid. As the name suggests, it's something like you can mix it with your makeup to maybe loosening your tight foundation or concealer to make it little more thin. You can use this as a mixing agent, and if you are in a cold climate and if it is your makeup products are going dry sometimes, then you can very well use this product as a mixing agent, and it is in a very good offer, so please grab this. My last suggestion is this Color Bar makeup remover wipes. It's in 30% off, so if you're looking for some wipes in this discount time, you can very well check this out. And this is very good, pretty decent makeup wipes, I should say, so go and check it out. I hope you just saw the entire video and you found it helpful. So if so, please give me a good fat thumbs up, and also share it to your friends and relatives, so that even they can get to know about the products offer which are going on. It's not only offer, this video has given you a few reviews of it also. So I hope you liked it. If so, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it, so that you will not miss any of my video in future, and more product suggestions and review videos coming up next. So thank you.